Morning from Okinawa Japan of OkiSubies. It's the 10-10 cruise. 10-10 Subie Cruise. We're gonna be taking out the Legacy. Gonna look like the best day for a cruise. Raining like this. Hopefully forecast comes through for us and it stops raining here soon. Before we start the cruise, we're just gonna change the oil. We're gonna wash the car, but Mother Nature's doing that for us, and then yeah, just check all the fluids, make sure everything's good. Check air pressures and whatnot. Do the kick test on the tires. There's gonna be a lot of cars to turn out today. American holiday. That's how we have all the Americans driving, and it's a Japanese holiday. So
roads are busy.
Roads are busy. They like to go to speed limit. Well, we all go to speed limit. I'm just trying to say they like to sightsee.
Please don't move as fast for them.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Third stop. All the cars are doing good. We unfortunately had one of the cars have to go home. Probably oil starvation to the bearings. I'm just going on these tight roads, slinging all the oil to one side of the pan and just starved his engine of oil, unfortunately. But we'll get him back on the road. Like all the cars are doing good. Two hours later, we got these cars positioned. Get you a good shot of this drone. Alright, so that is it for the rest of the cruise. This is the last stop. And this, we're eating lunch. 12 o'clock. Cruise started this morning at 7:30 is when meetup time was. 7:45 we took off. And this is the last stop, so a little tourist spot. Perfect for the cruise, to end a cruise at. It's got a big enough parking lot for all the cars. And then enough restaurants for all of us to eat at. Yeah, had a good time. No one got in an accident. One car did is a Type R STI. He did unfortunately experience rod bearing failure. But that's just something we can't predict, that kind of stuff. Playing with these cars, sometimes it happens. But anyways, thanks a lot for tagging along.